Today, I'll be showing you guys how to get this TikTok style edit on Videostar. There are 4 components on what really pulls these type of edits together. There is time remapping, zooms, extra effects like reveals, blurs, and warps, and finally coloring. And I'll be showing you guys how to do all of this on Videostar. Let's get started. So our first aspect we'll be focusing on is our time remapping. So go into new and press timing. And I actually already created a QR code for you guys. I created it a few months back and I really don't remember how to do it by hand, and I'm going to apply this to all of my clips. So I finished my time remapping and this is how it looks. And next we'll be doing our zooms. So go over into multi-layer, press new, go into multi-layer, and select layer 1 and add your clip. And let's go into edit keyframes. And I think I want my first zoom to be a zoom in. So I'm going to go to the end of my clip. And I'm going to zoom it in like maybe 155. And I'm going to do this special type of graph that you guys should be able to follow along. So I'm going to put this, I always like to use Bezier instead, well, however you say that. Instead of spline, I just find it easier to create this kind of graph. So I take this point, add it somewhere around here, then take this point and add it somewhere around the equal distance but in the opposite direction. And sometimes you can smooth out the graph a little by pulling the points inwards. Maybe I'll zoom this out a little bit, 135. It's still a bit choppy, let me readjust it. I like that, and now we're going to go into color and search up tracking blur. I have it in my favorites, and add just a little, not too much. Create, and done. And now let's go to my next clip and create the same type of zoom. So I finished adding all the zooms, and this is how the edit looks like so far. Obviously, it doesn't look like much, but now we're adding those special little effects that really help pull together this style. So on my first clip, I'm going to be adding a half reveal wipe. So go into multi-layer, select your clip of the zoom, go into layout and search for reveal. And you're going to pick the reveal with the square, not the LED reveal, this reveal. And as you see, what color the reveal is the color of your background. So I'm going to change my background color to black. And yeah, I think I'm going to make this reveal from left to right. Actually, from right to left. So edit keyframes, option, show other layers, show my color layer. And I'm going to bring my layout effect down to 100. And then I'm going to go to the end of my clip, tap my timeline once so it goes 1 keyframe back, make a mark. Then go to the end and bring it to 50, like so. And that's literally it for this transition. Press create. And now we'll be going to our next clip, multi-layer again. Add your clip into layer 1 and look for that same reveal. But this time you're going to add it to the opposite side. So I did it from right last time. I'm going to do it from left this time. Edit keyframes. Make sure the layout effect is on 50. And then go press your timeline once so it skips ahead 1 keyframe. Add a mark and bring it up to 100. And press create. And that's it. It's literally that simple. Look. The next thing we're going to be working on is a warp. I'm going to skip this clip and add a warp to this clip. So new, multi-layer, layer 1, add my clip. And then layout, I'm going to look for wave. I think I want mine to go this way. And I'm going to press this arrow right underneath. And I'm going to bring this down. Actually, I'm going to bring it up. You can adjust this to your liking. And I'm going to go very slow, or maybe just so slow. Yeah, I might bring this up more. Now edit keyframes, and I'm gonna go 1 keyframe ahead, press it, and then bring it down to 0. like these TikTok style transitions, it's really just little bits that really pulls the whole edit together. Done. And now I'm just going to be repeating these same effects over and over again. So I finished adding all my little special effects, and this is how the edit looks. And now we're going to be adding some panning and some coloring. So I'm going to merge all my clips. New multi-layer. Add it. And I really love the Barbenheimer coloring. So search that up. And then press the little up arrow. And I like this one at the far right. And I bring it to around 63. Then layout and look for panning number 2. Click the up arrow and then look for this panning. As you see, it looks like horrendous now, but follow these settings. And these are my final settings. You can follow it along on your Videostar and yeah, create. And you can also add some brightness effects, so re-effect, and then go into your paintbrush and look for brightness. And me personally, I like to do it manually. So I just bring this up at every beat and I put my my clips in 2x. Well, half x, whatever that means. So it's slower. And yeah, watch me do this. And let's see how this looks. And I like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to check out all the other tutorials I have on this popular style. And yeah, bye!